The cool thing with using drones and unmanned vehicles such as this is the accuracy and the resolution and the preciseness of the data that you can get from this. We at Cherokee have the ability to go find the right drone and the right sensor for the particular job that our customer wants. And we right now have contracts nationwide, and we can provide coverage nationwide with exactly the right vehicle and the right sensor to accomplish the user's objective. We have a very good solution that can be matched with the exact need of the customer. It gives them, in 100% of the cases, more knowledge to make smarter decisions. It gives them more wisdom in their ability to plan tomorrow.